Rustic American flag wall art is more than just a decorative piece. It is a timeless symbol of American heritage, freedom, and craftsmanship. This beautiful artwork captures the weathered charm of reclaimed wood, distressed paint, and rich patriotic colors that instantly bring warmth and character to any room. Every detail, from the cracked vintage texture to the deep navy blue and warm rustic tones, creates a premium farmhouse-style look that feels both authentic and elegant. Whether displayed in a living room, home office, dining area, cabin, or man cave, this rustic American flag wall art becomes a stunning focal point that tells a story of tradition and pride. The handcrafted wood-inspired design gives the artwork a gallery-quality appearance, making it perfect for those who love Americana decor, rustic interiors, and timeless patriotic style. It blends beautifully with modern, farmhouse, and country-inspired spaces, adding a sense of history and warmth that never goes out of fashion. If you enjoy premium wall art, rustic decor, and inspiring American theme designs, please like this video and subscribe for more beautiful printable wall art collections and home decor inspiration. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments where you would display this rustic American flag wall art in your home.